Well, them attempt to rob one soldier last night for the Bagwalk Gorge. Soldier have upset stomach and stop for vomit.
Welcome back to this channel. Be sure to click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you'll be notified about videos uploaded from this channel. The topics that we'll be discussing today is soldiers Dashway UB, mother and daughter remain in custody after a deadly family feud. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take the time out for bless up each and everyone. I just want to say a happy new year to everybody. Yeah man, I just send some blessings to each and everybody doorway. Also sending prosperity and enough wealth, heavy on the wealth because you don't know so the money have to make, and also the health. Yeah man, because without that we literally can't do nothing at all. So that have in the midst of all things. And what I'm about to bring to the table was not in my title or in my intro at all. But I have to come across and talk about this because I don't want the Chop City Nation rub me out clean. Them been a send me this from Wednesday. And because I never get the time for show it in one of the review that I did. And you don't know, so I New Year, so I have to give everybody them time for go chill with them family. And who and them family not good, I have to give them time for go men with them family. But we're back at it here now, so I have to come across and tell you about this. So, some people might hear about it already, in which some might not. But anyway, we still going to discuss this a little bit. So, a soldier was allegedly attacked by 3 robbers in the Bagwalk area. But I have somebody who can give you a little more details on what happened.
Well, them attempt to rob one soldier last night for the Bagwalk Gorge. Soldier have upset stomach and stop for vomit. And the them come there, come go and let them render assistance, ask the man if he's alright. Then start behave aggressive for the man and the man car key. And that has to start one of them pull a handgun. And soldier just pull a machete from his waistband man and chop off him fucking hand. Clean. See him turn up with the hand in a take off his left hand clean.
So viewers and subscribers, on the ear, the soldier I go about him business and him stop because him not feel well. Probably a traveling sickness him have. You know, so some people when them travel too far, them get one go upset stomach and them want throw up for get rid of the feelings. Or probably a something him eat and him still have to throw up for get rid of the feelings. You get what me I say? So him stop and I try for. You get what I say? For feel back himself for go where I go. And them 3 boy you know come I try go around the man I go and like say them I render assistance to the man. Start get angry upon the man because them want the man car key. Not more than them want run with the man car key, you know. Them don't know say I'm a soldier because I'm private vehicle in my drive. However, them start tussle with the man, pull handgun upon the man. The man just draw for your machete and take off one of them and clean. Not even one little string dead there for touch it on back. So you know say he must learn not to pull a gun upon one soldier again or even go about him a rob. You get what I say? In fact, all 3 of them get injured and soldier of course go to the station for report it and all them something there. You don't know, so them have to do them investigation and see what is what and what is not what. But until then, we care more details come go no. But if you don't want the picture of the 3 guys or soldier with the hand in him hand, you can always DM up on Instagram because of course you're supposed to know by now so them the 2 raw for go up on the YouTube channel. So I can always send you in my DM. And that remind me, I have 2 groups, one on Instagram and one on WhatsApp. If you don't want to be a member of any one of the groups, you can also DM me and you get add immediately. All is required of you have to come lively and come sensible. We don't want the bag of foolishness. You get what I say? But come we go down in the story, or should I say in the video in details. So it is said that a soldier Dashway, a little boy, them say he is 14 years old, and some people say him go by the name of JJ and some say him go by the name of UB. And this is said to took place yesterday morning, big New Year's morning. Reports are that the soldier them catch him with a firearm and them just dash him with just so. And of course a lot of people out there are cuss and say him not deserve the death. Well, I'm not gonna say out there, the people in my community, cause we can't say out there because obviously and everybody out there know him, but the people in my community. So the people in my community I say him never deserve it because him humble and him is a good little boy. Furthermore, he is just 14 years old. How comes a 14-year-old go like that? You get what me I say? And of course, on the next time you have some people I say, yeah man, him deserve it. Where am I do it gun in the first place? And where this and what that? Bear in mind, most of the persons in our community I say, I saw the story go for real. While on the other hand, you have persons saying them never find him with no gun. And even if them find him with the gun, them should have carry mean. The little boy never attempt to shoot them and all sorts of things. But you don't know, say, you are always have the persons them we are try to pretty up the story and a paint off the story. Nobody knows if the little boy made an attempt or even think about it for pull the gun at the soldiers. Or for tell if another that the soldier them are thinking of them brain say, from a little 14-year-old boy have a gun and we catch him with it. What you think him a go do? You feel like him just like a surrender to it just like that. So probably at that in the soldier mind and the soldier say, alright, me not take no threat in me and family for go home too. And I you out here the wrong and me. So here we go on, I prefer you go than me go. You get what me I say? While on the other hand you have some aggressive soldier when I care. From them find you with it, them decide say you have to go, you must go. So probably I just one of them situation there. We don't know the solid story behind what take place, but all we know the 14-year-old youth drop out on New Year's Day morning to be exact, and it is said that them find him with a gun, while other persons are saying him never have no gun. But if him never have no gun, he must be in a company of somebody we not in a company of, and the police them catch him. Them not gonna just dash him. So what's him a 14-year-old? Him supposed to look innocent, right? The mother and sister of Jerome and Alfred Forrester, both brothers involved in a feud that left both men dead, are still in custody as investigators from the Rockabessa police station in St. Mary continue their probe in the deaths. The corporate communications unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force reported that the two women have not been charged, but that investigations were ongoing after the older brother body was found on Wednesday with multiple wounds. Residents said on Wednesday that the brothers got into a fight on Christmas Day after a heat exchange between Jerome and his sister. It is alleged that the fight started while the siblings were drinking at a local shop in the community. The feud continued after the brother returned home that evening, and residents became suspicious when Jerome went missing the following day. A search for the younger brother was launched on Monday when the family members could not give account of the young man whereabouts. On Tuesday, the residents found dismembered body parts belonging to the younger sibling in advanced stage of decomposition in knitted bags in bushes at the back of his house. The police were looking for Alfred Wednesday when he was found dead in a nearby community of Jacks River. The brother's mother and sister had been taken into custody by the police on Tuesday for allegedly failing to report a murder.